The 122nd annual Christmas bird count is now underway. This year, about 80,000 volunteers will participate across the United States, including 20 countries located in the Western Hemisphere. The bird counts are conducted in specific circles in areas such as this by the river. Each circle is at least 15 miles in radius, with volunteers counting every bird they see or hear in a 24-hour period. Iowa has at least 39 of these circles, with 10 volunteers in each circle and one count coordinator. Appanoose County had a total of 18 people counting in Rathbun Lake. The team split into 8 groups, with a total of 52 hours of observation time and 549 miles driven by car being recorded. The group spotted birds such as the Canadian geese, the American white pelican, bald eagles, wild turkeys, and many more birds were spotted around the lake. The data is submitted to the national database managed by the Audubon Society. This data provides a long-term view of the history and trends in bird populations and their movements. Reporting from Ottumwa, this is Leslie Molina, KTVO.